Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and another card to hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. This week's card is an altered flash card. October 3rd. Oh my god, it's already October. It's like a whole month had like blown by. It always happens towards this time of year, for me, that is. Because it just starts picking up before you know it. It's Christmas and the New Year. Ooh, it's crazy. So we are on week 40, and this is what I created. So I covered the entire card with book pages. I love the vintage. I love vintage. I can't help it. I always gravitate towards vintage. Maybe the following weeks I'll do some Halloween and more fall, but I always love vintage. I can't help it. So those are book pages in the background. This frame I've had in my stash forever, and it's pretty dimensional. I used a paper doll. I colored the paper doll with some Copics, just very lightly. Added some flat back pearls. This is a Prima flower and a big flat back pearl. And then my finger bow in this satiny ribbon. I love this ribbon. And then I just added a word from my friend Nada, darling. So I just thought this was such a darling little card, and it is pretty dimensional. You wouldn't put this in, I don't know, I would put this on a cover, or a cover of a journal, because it is pretty dimensional, but I love it. It is so pretty. So yeah, this is my card for this week's hashtag. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.